DFAC Pro Lewis Smith, natural bodybuilding champion. If you want to add some serious size and muscle this year, check out the Raw Sport Mass Gainer. With nearly 500 calories, 46 grams protein and 58 grams carbs, it's perfect for gaining muscle and size. There's nothing on the market that comes close to Raw Sport's unique formula. It's free from artificial additives, it's GMO, dairy and gluten free. It's also tested to ensure it's free from heavy metals and pesticides. Unlike other mass gainers, it tastes great, digests well, and no bloating. This is the #1 product to increase size and get results in the gym. Click the link or check out rawsport.com.